Hello guys, welcome back to Pacific. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you one of the best site to download copyright free icons for your YouTube channel or your website. So this is one of the best site to download various type of icons, and this site is iconfinder.com. So this is the website. As you can see, this site have premium icon and free icons too, and you have different category. As you can see, this is the icon set, and this to have premium icon and free icons. As you can see, this is a free icon set, so this is free for commercial use. And as you can see, use the icon for commercial use, share the icon, edit the icon, so there is no restriction for this property. Okay, and this, as you can see, you can also search for your definite icons. As if you're looking for any other icon, you can search here. For example, I will search for YouTube, and in the left section you have to choose free enterprise category and in free commercial use in the license type. So these are the copyright free icons. You can choose any one of these icons. So here you can see I will choose this icon for my project, and as you can see there are different size format here, and you can also download for your Adobe project and in PNG or SVG format. And one of the best features that it have inbuilt icon editor, so edit the color or you can add text to it. And the best site to download copyright free icon, and you can also edit this icon according to your choice. So this one of the best feature. As you can see, you can adjust the gradient color. You can add any customization you like, so change its color. You can also add text, and you can also edit each element in the icon. You can also resize the icon size, and in the download icon section you can choose your size. But as you can see, there is no copyright or watermark here. You can use freely in your project. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.